In this video, we'll learn how to apply basic layer styling in MAPOG. First, go to your location type layer and click on the three dots option beside the layer. Open Add Layer Style and select Basic Layer Style. Now choose a layer you want to style. Here you'll get two options, Basic Circle and Basic Icon. Let's start with Basic Circle. You can customize the fill color, circle radius, border color, and border width. You can also adjust fill opacity and border opacity based on your visualization needs. Once done, click Save Style. Next comes Basic Icon Styling. Here you can either select icons from the icon library or upload your own custom icon. Then adjust icon color, marker size, and icon overlap settings. Lastly, set the fill opacity and save the style. Your map is now ready with basic styling. For GIS polygon layers, you'll get additional styling options like solid, hatching, and cross-hatching. Simply select the preferred style, apply colors and opacity, then save the layer. That's how easily you can create clean and simple map visualizations using basic styling in MAPOG. In the next video, we'll learn how bubble styling works.